For the longest time, being an iPhone owner and using a Windows computer has been a nightmare, all due to the fact that it's so difficult to transfer data, files, and photos, videos, basically everything you want to actually transfer from your iPhone to a Windows computer. Extremely difficult. But now, very recently, Intel actually released a new software update that will actually give your Windows computer AirDrop-like features, which means you'll have the capability to answer phone calls, send text messages, transfer photos and videos, as well as files from your computer to your iPhone and vice versa. And so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the cool settings, some cool features that this Intel Unison app has to offer, which all requires you to download that app from on your computer as well as your iPhone. And the whole setup procedure, it's extremely easy. And don't worry, Android users, you can also use this even on Android as well if you like to quickly do data transfer files, just like the iPhone, as well as monitor your text messages and phone calls and notifications even. So the requirements for this, even though this is Intel, don't worry my AMD CPU users, this is also available for AMD as well. The only requirement is you have to have a device that is Windows Update, so Windows 11 and above. If you're on iPhone, you need to be on iOS 15 or newer, and Android 9 or newer. Aside from that, all you need to do is just click on the link in the video description down below, which should automatically take you to the Windows Store. And from here, just install the app. Now, if you get this update message, make sure you update your device to the latest firmware update on your Windows 11 computer. But if it still doesn't work for you, like what was happening with me, I literally spent like 2 hours updating my computer. You maybe need to register your Windows computer to join the Windows Insider program, which basically all it allows you to do is kind of like a beta, but not really much of a beta, because you're less likely not to experience bugs, but you will unlock new features that window in general are working on, and you will be one of the first few that actually will get your hands on new features as they come out. But the features may be buggy, that's the thing, but your operating system, everything else will work properly like how it should. So once you register your device for this program, which is literally located right here, just go ahead and run the app. Once it's done installing, follow the on-screen instructions. You need to download the app on your iPhone as well or your Android device. Scan the QR code, give it permission to have access to your photos and other data and stuff on both devices. And once you do all that, you'll see this successful pairing page right here with this high five animation, and that's it. The whole entire I/O is really self-explanatory, but there is one setting you have to actually go ahead and adjust, and that is the conversation. If you're using an iPhone, you need to go on your Bluetooth settings and then tap the blue icon button right here next to your PC's name and just enable show notifications. And now if you actually go into messages, you'll be able to see past or new conversations that your phone received in terms of notifications, and you have the freedom and full capability to reply right here. And on the left hand side, you'll see the transfer files. Here you can literally just open up whatever file you like to transfer from your device to the other. So I'm just going to select a photo right here just to demo this out. And then instantly it's already been sent, and then on your iPhone, just go ahead and launch the app, and it should pop up right away on the files. And here's that photo we literally sent from our computer to our iPhone. You could do the exact same thing vice versa. You could select file, gallery, or even take a photo, and when you take a picture, it's actually instant too. So let's go ahead and send this. I can go ahead and show you. And to locate that photo we send with the camera roll, you have to go on the bottom right here, click on files, and just open up the first one, and it should automatically pop up like so. This will be where your files will be located, and you can always relocate this if you want. But if you actually click on gallery, it actually does synchronize all your videos and photos that you have taken on your camera roll on your iPhone, and it will be quickly able to be visible right here. And if you'd like to download it, you can always tap on the download right here, and you have access to your albums as well. And then if you look closely on the left hand side, you can literally make phone calls from here. Now of course I'm going to blur this section, but you do have access to the number pin pad as well if you like to dial a number. And then if you quickly tap on the gear icon, if you like to add some privacy, you do have the capability to do so. But here you immediately have the general, which you can allow this app to run automatically when you start your computer, or change file locations. But if you tap on notifications, here is actually where you can actually go ahead. If you go on the bottom, you can actually select private if you want your notifications to be private in case it's an open laptop. But also down here is where you can actually enable or disable the apps notification you'd like to receive and the ones you don't. And then if we exit off of this, right here with the TV icon, you can monitor your iPhone's battery percentage as well as enable do not disturb if you just don't want to see anything at all here display. And just like that, now you have AirDrop-like capabilities on your Windows computer. So now your iPhone can now talk to a Windows computer and save you from all the headaches having to find some wires and MacGyver some ways just to transfer files from one device to the other. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.